Welcome back. Welcome back. So, as I was saying before, what I need to do is disable the loudspeaker so that I can use this. The whole point of getting this cool tank here, and let me, there we go. Is that loud? Is that loud? Unfortunately, unless it's on, as you saw, it does not operate. But the whole point of this tank here was because my daughter and I want to make some funny videos, and this thing is supposed to be super stealthy and able to sort of show up on scene and scare me. But if it's that loud, it's obvious, nobody's gonna buy that it's stealthy, are they? So that's why I need to disable the loudspeaker on this thing, and then we'll be golden because it does everything else really well. And I will demonstrate that soon in a
Likey.